Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Ekta with my next video for the topic plant physiology. Today I will take the quick review of the respiration in plants. In cellular respiration, carbohydrates are primary respiratory substrates. Others are fats, organic acids and proteins. Organic acids are used in CAM plants. CAM plants utilize a specialized photosynthetic pathway called crassulacean acid metabolism to survive in arid environments. They open their stomata at night to absorb carbon dioxide and store it as malate, which is then used for photosynthesis during the day when stomata are closed to conserve water. This strategy helps them minimize water loss and photorespiration, allowing them to thrive in hot, dry conditions. Cellular respiration is a multi-step process so that energy released in some steps can be used for ATP synthesis. If it occurs in single step, all the energy may be released as heat. ATP is known as energy currency of the cell. Its full form is adenosine triphosphate. Few reasons behind absence of specialized respiratory organs in plants are: number 1, very little transport of gases required as each plant part take care of its own gas exchange needs. Number 2, plants have slow respiration rate. Number 3, in plants, most of the living cells located quite close to the surface of the plants. So these are the reasons behind absence of specialized respiratory organs in plants. Glycolysis is a Greek word in which glycose means sugar and lysis means splitting. So, splitting of sugar is known as glycolysis. It is also called EMP pathway. E stands for Embedden, M stands for Meyerhof, and P stands for Parnas. The EMP pathway is the process of glucose catabolism. It occurs in the cytoplasm of living cells. A molecule of glucose yields 2 pyruvates, 2 ATP and 2 NADH molecules at the end of this process. EMP pathway common in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. EMP pathway occurs in cytoplasm and it is the partial oxidation of hexose, that means glucose or fructose, into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. EMP process did not use oxygen and not release the carbon dioxide. In EMP pathway, net or total ATP gain is 6 ATP or 8 ATP. That means 2 NADH2 provide 4 or 6 ATP and 2 ATP by substrate level photophosphorylation produced in this process. Substrate level phosphorylation is also known as SLP. In EMP pathway, direct gain of ATP at the end of the process is 2 ATP. In EMP pathway or glycolysis, during anaerobic respiration, net or total or direct gain of ATP is 2 ATP, as NADH2 not enter into the ETS. ETS stands for electron transport system. Conversion of pyruvic acid to acetyl coenzyme is an oxidative carboxylation catalyzed by pyruvic dehydrogenase, which occurs in the matrix of mitochondria. Conversion of pyruvic acid to acetyl coenzyme is known as link reaction. Now learn few important points from the Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is also called TCA, tricarboxylic acid cycle or CA cycle, that means citric acid cycle. Krebs cycle occurs in the matrix of mitochondria. Krebs cycle involves 4 dehydrogenations, that means 3 NADH2 and 1 FADH2, and 2 decarboxylations, that means 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. Net or total ATP gain in Krebs cycle is 12 ATP, which forms from 3 NADH2. 3 NADH2 form from 9 ATP and 1 FADH2. Later on, when it produces 2 ATP plus 1 GTP, that makes the molecule of 1 ATP for the utilization. If question is asked for 1 glucose or 1 fructose in previous point, then you have to calculate according to the process. As Krebs cycle occurs 2 times during complete oxidation of 1 molecule of glucose or fructose, so you have to do the double energy in the given points, so that all the digits must be double. Krebs cycle has single 5 carbon compounds, that is known as alpha ketoglutaric acid. Now we will take few points from electron transport system, ETS, and oxidative phosphorylation. ETS is present in the inner mitochondrial membrane. 5 complexes in ETS system are NADH dehydrogenase 1, FADH2 2, cytochrome BC1 3, cytochrome A3, and 2 copper centers 4, and ATP synthase 5. These complexes are crucial for transferring electrons and generating a proton gradient, which drives ATP synthesis. In respiration, the energy of oxidation, reduction utilized in production of proton gradient to synthesis ATP, that is known as oxidative phosphorylation. Molecular oxygen act as the final or ultimate hydrogen or electron acceptor, and it get reduced to water. In ETS system, mobile electron carrier are cytochrome C and ubiquinone, UQ, or it is known as COQ. In aerobic respiration, net or total gain of ATP from 1 glucose or fructose is 36 ATP or 38 ATP. In aerobic respiration, net gain of ATP in prokaryotes is 38 ATP. Respiration is an amphibolic pathway. That means it involved in both anabolism and catabolism. Now I will take few important points from the fermentation process. Fermentation is incomplete oxidation of respiratory substrate. Fermentation is usually anaerobic, may be aerobic. Fermentation may be of alcoholic and lactic acid kinds. Alcoholic fermentation present in the yeast. It take the help of few enzymes. These are pyruvic acid decarboxylase and alcohol dehydrogenase. Lactic acid fermentation present in some bacteria and in the muscles. The enzyme which support to this process is known as lactate dehydrogenase. In fermentation, net or total or direct gain of ATP is 2 ATP. Few naturally fermented beverages, these are also called alcoholic drinks, have about 13% alcohol concentration, as yeast poison themselves at this concentration. Respiratory quotient has its own formula, that is respiratory quotient is equal to carbon dioxide evolved upon oxygen consumed. Or we can take out the respiratory quotient by the division of carbon dioxide evolved from the oxygen consumed. Respiratory quotient depends upon the type of respiratory substrate. As respiratory quotient of carbohydrate with complete oxidation is 1. Respiratory quotient of fat is 0.7. Respiratory quotient of protein is 0.9. So it was about the important points from the topic respiration in plants. In my next video, I will take the review from the topic enzyme of plant physiology. So be with me. Have a nice day. Have a happy day. Bye bye.